Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best ergonomic keyboard wired is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your workspace, especially if you spend long hours typing. This keyboard is designed to promote a natural hand and wrist posture, reducing strain and discomfort, which can lead to significant improvements in your overall typing experience and long-term health. By choosing an ergonomic wired keyboard, you're opting for reliability and a consistent connection, ensuring your productivity is never interrupted by connectivity issues, making it an essential tool for professionals and gamers alike. Number 5. LEKVEY Vertical Wireless Ergonomic Mouse. Are you experiencing discomfort from traditional mice? Say goodbye to wrist strain and hello to a more comfortable way of working. This mouse is designed with a scientific ergonomic grip, promoting a natural handshake position for your wrist and arm. Most users find it significantly reduces pain and becomes comfortable within days. Forget about constantly buying batteries. This device features a built-in rechargeable battery that provides over 150 hours of use on a single charge, making it incredibly convenient. Easily adjust the sensitivity with 3 DPI levels, 800, 1200, 1600, to suit your needs. Plus, dedicated buttons make web browsing with page forward and back functions a breeze. Getting started is effortless. Simply plug in a nano USB receiver, and it's ready to go, no complicated Bluetooth pairing or driver installations required. It works seamlessly with most operating systems, including Windows and Mac OS. Once you try this vertical design, you'll wonder how you ever used a regular mouse. What we like. This vertical mouse encourages a natural handshake position, significantly reducing wrist strain. If you suffer from wrist pain or are looking for a comfortable, long-term solution for daily computer use, this is an excellent choice. Its built-in rechargeable battery means no more buying disposable batteries, offering great convenience and value. What people say. The keyboard is designed with a split layout and a curved keyframe, which helps to keep your wrists in a more natural position. It features a built-in wrist rest that provides cushioning and support, reducing strain during long typing sessions. The keys are responsive and have a satisfying tactile feedback, making typing feel comfortable and efficient. Number 4. ProtoArc EM11NL Wireless Vertical Mouse. Experience a natural and relaxed hand position with its vertical design. This helps reduce discomfort and strain, promoting better productivity. Seamlessly switch between up to 3 devices. It supports dual Bluetooth and 2.4G USB-A connectivity for ultimate convenience. Stay powered up with its built-in rechargeable battery. Simply use the included Type-C cable to charge it conveniently. Designed for small to medium hands, it aligns with your natural grip. This reduces wrist strain for a more comfortable experience. Achieve precise tracking with adjustable DPI levels. Navigate with ease and enhance your work efficiency with its responsive performance. Work without distraction thanks to its silent click feature. Enjoy a focused environment with its quiet operation. What we like. Seamlessly switch between up to 3 devices with this versatile vertical mouse. If you work across multiple computers or devices and need a streamlined workflow, this offers unparalleled convenience. Its quiet clicks ensure a focused work environment, and it's specifically designed for users with smaller hands, providing a perfect, comfortable fit. What people say. The keyboard has a split design that allows for a more natural hand and wrist posture, reducing strain during long typing sessions. It features a cushioned wrist rest that provides excellent support and comfort, further enhancing the ergonomic benefits. The keys are responsive and have a satisfying tactile feedback, making typing accurate and enjoyable. Number 3. KLIM Chroma Gaming Keyboard. Experience a remarkably quiet typing experience with our keyboard. Its low-noise keys are ideal for any environment, from quiet study sessions to late-night gaming. Add a splash of color to your setup with its dynamic RGB backlighting. Choose between static or breathing modes, or simply turn them off to suit your preference. Boost your typing speed effortlessly. The responsive membrane keys offer a short travel distance, ensuring quick and accurate keystrokes. Get started in seconds with its simple plug-and-play functionality. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for any setup, whether at home or on the go. Don't worry about accidental spills. This keyboard is engineered to withstand everyday mishaps, offering excellent durability at an affordable price. Join a community of over 500,000 satisfied users who trust its reliability. We back it with excellent customer support and a satisfaction guarantee. What we like. Enjoy a quiet typing experience with this durable, spill-resistant keyboard. If you need a reliable keyboard for shared spaces like offices or libraries, or if you tend to have accidents with drinks, this is a fantastic option. The customizable RGB backlighting adds a touch of style to your setup, making it a great all-around choice for everyday use and gaming. What people say. The keyboard has a split design that allows for a more natural hand and wrist posture. The keys are responsive and have a satisfying tactile feedback, making typing comfortable and efficient. It includes a detachable wrist rest that provides additional support and comfort during long typing sessions. Number 2. AULA F2088 Typewriter Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Experience the satisfying click and tactile feedback of our mechanical blue switches, designed for ultimate gaming performance. The vintage round keycaps offer a comfortable typing experience and exceptional durability. Easily manage your media and lighting with dedicated control keys and a convenient knob. Adjust volume, switch tracks, and customize your backlight effects with ease. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy panel, this keyboard is designed to withstand scratches and daily use. The magnetic wrist rest provides comfortable support for long gaming sessions. Enjoy high-speed gaming with anti-ghosting technology, ensuring every keystroke registers accurately. Its ergonomic design also makes it a superb tool for office work. This stylish and durable keyboard is compatible with most operating systems and devices. Simply plug it in and play, no drivers required. What we like. Embrace a retro aesthetic with this unique typewriter-style mechanical keyboard. If you appreciate tactile feedback, a satisfying clicky sound, and a distinctive look for your desk, this keyboard is for you. The dedicated media control knob and robust metal construction offer both style and functionality, making it a standout piece for enthusiasts. What people say. The keyboard is designed with a split layout and a tenting angle, which helps to keep your wrists in a more neutral position. It features a built-in wrist rest that provides cushioning and support, reducing strain during long typing sessions. The keys are responsive and have a satisfying tactile feedback, making typing comfortable and efficient. Number 1. Nulea RT08 Wave Keys Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. Experience the freedom of wireless typing with our full-sized ergonomic keyboard. It's designed to handle all your daily tasks and professional software needs with ease. Its unique wave shape naturally fits your hands, reducing strain and discomfort. Enjoy a smoother, more comfortable typing experience compared to traditional flat keyboards. Transition to ergonomic typing without the learning curve. This keyboard combines ergonomic benefits with the familiarity of a standard layout, making it easy to adapt and boost your efficiency. Adjust the tilt angle with the built-in footrests to find your perfect typing posture. This personalized setup helps alleviate wrist pressure and discomfort from long typing sessions. Each key is precisely crafted for a uniform feel, offering the perfect balance of pressing and rebounding. Enjoy a smooth typing rhythm and improved efficiency without jamming. Work for longer periods without fatigue thanks to the integrated cushioned palm rest. It provides essential support for your wrists. What we like. Experience comfortable, natural typing with this wave-shaped ergonomic keyboard. If you're new to ergonomic designs and want an easy transition without a steep learning curve, this is ideal. Its unique shape and adjustable tilt angle allow you to find your perfect, comfortable typing posture, reducing strain during long work sessions. What people say. This keyboard has a split design that allows for a more natural hand and wrist posture. The keys are well spaced and have a satisfying tactile feel, making typing comfortable and efficient. It features a built-in wrist rest that provides excellent support and reduces strain during long typing sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.